Where does the name for Erddig come from? So today I'm in Flintshire and I am in Erddig, which is just behind me. So the name for Erddig looks like a very Welsh word, doesn't it? But actually it's one of those really interesting place names in Flintshire where the Welsh phonetic writing system has preserved an Old English form of a name. So this area here has moved between Mercia and Wales several times in its history, but in the 800s it was settled by Mercian settlers who spoke Old English, and they called it Erddig. Hierda is a herdsman or someone who looks after animals, and cot is the first half of cottage and the root for the word hut as well. And it means like a small dwelling or a farmstead. So in the 1300s, the place here was recorded as Erddig, which then became Erddig and is now Erddig. So the name literally means the herder's cottage. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, I appreciate it. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.